Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1965 Chevrolet. This is a true Malibu super sport car. Great car, guys. I love this car. I bought it from a couple down in, I was actually in Georgia, but the car's from South Carolina. Great people, man. The guy's got really an extensive car collection. He said, Dave, I'm just car poor right now. So this is one that he was going to let go. Great car. The car was actually originally restored. A frame-off restoration was done to this car in about 1995-96. He said it was completed, right? But now the drivetrain is all brand new. He said it's got less than 500 miles on it. He said it's still got the break-in oil in the engine. Beautiful car, very well maintained. So even though it's an older resto, this guy's a car guy, man. He really took care of this car. There's a few little things you can nitpick in the paint, but man, just an outstanding car. Love the color combination. It's the original color. It's Sierra tan metallic. I wish we had some sunshine on it. It's got black vinyl interior. That's all brand spanking new. And when I mean new, like I had Don from DNA Interiors come in, and he just completely redid the interior. But great car. We actually put the redline tires on it to have black walls. Those are BF Goodrich radial red lines. It's got the 15-inch rallies with the flat caps. Great car, man. Everybody here loves this car. I drove the car actually for a couple of days. You can see there's a couple of little stone pecks on it. So there's a few little things to nitpick, but overall, guys, just an outstanding car. Oh, we might get a little sun here. The good Lord heard us. Chrome and stainless is excellent. I drove this car for 2 days. My buddy Scott and I cruised this car around the car show. Took it to breakfast, took it to dinner. Outstanding car, man. Runs out excellent, drives good, nice and tight. Again, there's a few little things you can nitpick in the paint. So a touch-up mark there, but great car, outstanding car. Glass is nice. The fit and finish is excellent on the car. Paint's just as pretty as can be. And this thing will run, guys. It has a brand spanking new. It's a 427 cubic inch engine. It's actually a 4-bolt main 454 block with a comp roller camshaft, roller rocker, so full roller engine. It's 30 over, it's balanced. And man, I'll tell you, it runs, it scoots out. It's actually got LED tail lights. Whoever gets this car is just getting a good car. Car's nice and straight down the sides. You can see the chrome and stainless is nice. Car is very nice underneath. It's got front and rear sway bars, so the car drives down the road nice and tight. Good looking car, man. Again, he said there's less than 500 miles on this engine. Still got the break-in oil in it. You can see it's got the dual snorkel breather, Holley Performance dual feed 4-barrel. That's actually a 67 Winners GM intake. Factory exhaust manifolds, power steering, power brakes. It's a brand spanking new, he said, TCI 350 turbohydramatic trans with just a small stall speed converter, nothing huge. Aluminum radiator that uses the factory shroud. Great car, man. Fun car to drive. There we go. That sun's threatening to peek out here. Yeah, I like this car a lot, guys. I'm telling you, this is just a good car. Look, I mean, they've definitely replaced that A-pillar chrome. Mirror's nice, new door handles, like you say, the glass is nice. Great car. This is all brand new. And what it is, new sill plates, new carpet. He had put the new seat covers on it. The rest of the stuff was original. I went through and had Don come over, put new carpet in it, new headliner, new kick panels, new sunshades. So it's all brand new. Beautiful sports steering wheel on this thing. Factory tach car. 82,000 original miles. It's got some aftermarket gauges underneath here. This is kind of cool. It's where it goes in where the ashtray is, so it's a drink holder. AM/FM radio. It's got a power rear antenna, bucket seats, console, dual exhaust. It's a 12-bolt, 331 limited slip rear end. It's got Moser axles in it. Again, rear sway bar. See a little stamping still on your quarter panel there. Same thing on this side. Great car, man. Outstanding car. It's got, what do you call it underneath this? So this is all sealed down, Dynamat, all spackle coated. Again, here's the pictures from the original restoration. But again, it's had a, it's been, the drivetrain is completely redone since that. I think he said that was 95, 96 that it was originally done. Car's got LED tail lights, very nice underneath. I got it up on the hoist. Some good pictures of the bottom of the car for you. This is a great body style too. Just a good clean look on these cars. New floor mats, and I don't know if I'm hip on the gold, but the guys say it matched, so I left them in there. Of course, 65, you know that seat belts were an option. Dash is really nice. That steering wheel is beautiful. Original console, so it kind of shows a little age. We'll have Jordy fire it up here. Again, healthy 427 engine, man. Thing rocks. Nice little nasty cam in it. Full roller. Car sounds good, man. No, the speedo works, tach works. I think everything on this car works. Yeah. Yep, even the radio, blower motor. Cool, yeah, it's got the LED tail lights. That's cool. Even the backup lights work. Wiggle the shifter a little bit, Jordy. I know those backup lights can work, guys. I know they work. I've seen them work. Even the license plate lights work. Radio works, blower motor works. The backup lights didn't come on. I know they work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way, every time I post one of these videos, you can get a notification. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. I love that car right there, man. That is a good-looking car. You're looking for a nice 65, guys, you're going to love that car right there. Have a great day, guys.